Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel reservation on booking.com if your guest is not coming. Now step 1 is just make sure that you're logged in with your account and go to the home page of booking.com. Now at the home page just scroll down and you will see inside this section of your upcoming trips like you were all the reservations that you have done, you will see inside this section. So as you can see, like I have a confirmed reservation, so just open the reservation that you want to cancel if your guest is not coming. So wait until it completely loads. Might take a few seconds, so just wait for it. And you will see like all the lists inside this section. I have this one, you might have some others, so that depends on you. So once you open the reservation, so as you can see, like this is the booking confirmed, reservation confirmed. So like this is the date. So let's say like on the right side you will see is everything correct, cancel your booking. Like you can see all these details. Let's say that like you're not able to see this, just scroll down and you will see this option pop up right here. So just click on cancel your booking. And once you click on cancel your booking, so they will ask you the reason, like why are you canceling. So you can say like select any other reason that depends on you. The trip was cancelled or like change of destination, like anything that the best suits best for you, change of plans, select the reason and click on continue and just click on cancel booking. And once you click on cancel booking, it might take canceling your booking, so it might take a few seconds. Wait for it. And like it is totally free. If you have paid, you will get a return if you like cancel the reservation on time. So as you can see, like the booking has been cancelled. So if I can now go to the booking.com home section, so inside my upcoming trips, I'm not able to see the upcoming trips option, as you can see, because I don't have any further reservations on booking.com. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.